dreams and inspiration at the HKTDC Education and Careers Expo 2017 in Hong Kong. Much attention on a new Hong Kong company with a focus on the multi-faceted regional hospitality industry.
AsiaHospitalityCareers.com essentially creates a platform for all hospitality employers to connect with job seekers anywhere around the world, and thereby hopefully helping job seekers in this industry find opportunities here in Asia. When we normally think of hospitality industry, most people often only can think of the hotels industry. It would actually include the food and beverage outlets, theme parks, cruise ships, airlines, convention services, and essentially all travel and tourism related companies.
Such career prospects inevitably link with China's Belt and Road Initiative connecting over 60 countries.
China's Belt and Road Initiative will in no doubt have a positive effect on the hospitality industry overall in this region.
The Belt and Road initiatives will drive a lot of trade, in turn drive a lot of demand for hospitality. That leads to higher demand in human resources.
This in turn should help to alleviate some of the bottlenecks that we are currently facing in this industry with regards to gaining work visas.
The feedback from the industry has been very encouraging. Again, we were very fortunate that the big brands recognizes what we're trying to do. The schools have also given us a lot of feedback. The educational institutions that serve hospitality, from a website traffic point of view, that's been we've been seeing growth on a daily basis. Whether it's new job seekers registering in Hong Kong, across the region, and also the number of jobs being posted every day.
With over 2,300 job openings featured at the Expo, students had much to consider.
There got a lot of career, famous career in Hong Kong, and it can make me to know more about different career and to choose one that I like.
For me, it's also the same. The school brings us here, but I also wanted to know more about careers and everything, because in the future I would like to work or study in Hong Kong.
More than 860 organizations from 22 countries and regions were represented at the Expo, including Cambodia and Bangladesh. A positive message with their Belt and Road associations.
We are also part of this One Belt, One Road initiatives. So obviously that will give us extra benefit, I believe. We have a lot of opportunities for career as well. Already in our garment sectors, in our IT sectors, a lot of Chinese people are already there. A lot of Indians are there. We do have very good public and private medical colleges. We can offer a very good thing in this case because the medical studies in Bangladesh is very cost effective.
Our government also actively participate in China initiative One Belt and One Road, especially to promote many fields, including education.
As for Hong Kong, it's a critical location when setting up a career-focused regional business.
We're made in Hong Kong, and we're very, very proud of that fact. Hong Kong provides or encapsulates all the technical expertise, all the very strong internet infrastructure, cultural experience, and a very strong multilingual capability. I think the whole Belt and Road initiative basically forms everything that hospitality industry stands for. We want to play the role as the connector or the builder of the digital Belt and Road.